Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through a tool in Cinema 4D called Boole. This, Boole. Boole is used to cut a 3D object with another 3D object. Click on it, and then let's say you want to make a cube, so click on cube, just like this. Make a sphere for example. Click on sphere like this, and then drag the slider to increase the segments to make the sphere smooth, just like this. Position the sphere the way you want it. The main objective is to cut the cube with some parts of the sphere. Just drag the sphere, which is the object that cuts the cube, at the center of Boole, just like this, and then drag the cube also and drag it at the center of Boole, just like this. And the sphere cuts some parts of the cube, just like this. Isn't it cool? If you want to cut the Boole object that we just created with another 3D object, all we have to do is to convert the Boole into an object, an editable object. Right click on Boole and then click on connect objects and delete, just like this. Create another sphere just like this. Increase the number of segments. You can resize the sphere by clicking on the scale tool and then put it wherever you want. This has to cut the Boole object that we just created with just this one. So click on Boole again and then drag the sphere, the object that cuts the Boole object down below, at the center of Boole, and then drag the Boole at the center of Boole, point 1, just like this. Ooh, fancy. It looks like cheese now. Drag the sphere, just like this. Position it wherever you want it to be positioned. Really, it looks like cheese now. A cut cheese. Alright, that's probably it for the tutorial video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao.